Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Vivo X200 Pro is one of the looking selling device in the market right now, which is this one I'm holding, so stick around to find out. Moving to the unboxing experience, this phone comes with a big box. Opening the box, the first thing you see is the phone. Not even that, secondly we find the SIM rejector too. Another interesting part is that the Vivo X200 Pro also provide the protective rubber case, followed by the USB Type-C cable. Not even that, we got the 90-watt fast charger. I mean 90-watt fast charger. Wow, that is incredible. Moving to the phone, I love the design. Well, I like how minimalistic it looks. First of all, let's on the phone. This phone is a 5G smartphone, no 4G here. At the bottom, we see the USB Type-C port and the speaker and the SIM house. At the left corner, we see the power button and the volume up and down rocker key. The power button doesn't serve as the fingerprint scanner. Towards the top, we also get the IR blaster and a microphone. Moving to the left corner, we find nothing. Moving to the top, the fingerprint scanner also located under the display. Well, that is a good one. So please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm putting when making this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Let's talk about other things. The Vivo X200 Pro comes with Android 15. The Android 15 is also a good one. Discussing about the display, this phone comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and the display is also an AMOLED display, HDR10 plus Dolby Vision. That means it can pick a brightness of 4500 nits, which can be easy for you to use it under direct sunlight. For me, the display is a good one. I don't have any problem with the display. Moving to the camera, at the top corner we got the 200 megapixel telephoto camera and 50 megapixel main camera with the Sony Ledia 818 sensor with the 50 megapixel ultra wide lens with the LED flashlight located at the right corner. Let's take a look at the pictures taken with the Vivo X200 Pro. Moving to the video experience, it can record up to 8K or 4K. The videos are sharp and accurate. There is a portrait video mode. These are some of the pictures taken with the Vivo X200 Pro. Take a look at it. For me, the pictures taken with this device are okay. The Vivo X200 Pro is one of the devices that gives good looking pictures in 2024. Well, that is a good one. Let's talk about other things. The camera is okay when taking daylight photos. Even the night photos is also a good one. For me, speaking about the photos taken with my Vivo X200 Pro, the photos are also a good one. I love the pictures taken with this device. Let's talk about other things. As for the processor, the Vivo X200 Pro is powered by Dimensity 9400 processor. iPhone fans, sorry to say this, the Dimensity 9400 is a little bit better than the A18 Bionic chipset that comes with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For me, getting this device, you won't really regret. As for the size of the display, this phone comes with 6.78 inches display, making it enjoyable when playing game with this device. This phone comes with 6000 mAh battery. I mean 6000 mAh battery. Well, that is a good one. That means for a single charge, this phone can last more than 2 days if you are not a heavy user. When I use this phone for consuming content, playing heavy games, what I notice is that, like Call of Duty, this phone gets a little bit warm. For me, the hotness isn't so bad. As for the video mode, this device also done a great job. This is how the video recording from the Vivo X200 Pro looks like. For me, the video stabilization is okay. Well, that is by the way for today. Please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I put up when making this video, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.